Ever told yourself that I don't need anyone? That being fully self reliance is your ultimate strength. What if I told you it might be something else entirely? So, independence is healthy. Wanting to solve your own problems is admirable. But when that independence turns into never letting anyone in, refusing all help, and always doing it alone, we cross into something deeper. That's called hyper independence. And here's the twist: hyper independence isn't always the strength. Often, it's a trauma response and a survival strategy. So, let's unpack today about the hyper independence that we are all are chasing. So, what are the signs of hyper independence looks like? You rarely ask for help, even when you are drowning. You believe only you can fix your problems. You push people away when things get real. You resent needing someone, even thinking that needing someone is weakness. Sounding familiar? So, you are not alone, yet, this mindset cost us connection, trust, and the deeper fulfillment relationships bring. Now, according to the trauma informed resources, hyper independence can develop after you learn. I can't rely on anyone, maybe because someone left, maybe someone betrayed you, maybe help never came when you needed it. Why it feels like strength and why it's not. So, why does it feel like strength? Because when you have been hurt, relying on yourself seems safer. You become your own hero. You control everything. So you are untouchable. But here's the catch: this armor comes with hidden costs. You are always on guard, always alone. You always avoid intimacy. You might sabotage relationships. And you miss out on the V part of life. True strength isn't just doing it alone, it's doing it with others. So, when needed, being vulnerable and still standing. How to start healing? Recognize the pattern. If you always push help away, ask yourself why. Second thing is, you can do the trust check. Ask, can I test little reliance? Ask for a favor. Lean in slightly. The third thing, therapy. Therapy and trauma informed care can help you rebuild trust and reshape your idea of independence into interdependence. Practice the mantra. Strength is not only doing it alone, it's doing it wisely with the support of your people. You don't have to abandon your independence. You can keep your power and also allow health, connection, and softness. If this video resonated, drop a heart in the comment section. Share with someone who always does it alone. And let's shift from hiding behind independence to stepping into real strength. Follow for more on healing, relationships, and reclaiming your emotional power. Because true independence isn't never needing anyone, it's knowing you can and still choosing the connection anyways.